Right, I'll presume you've seen I've hidden a secret camera. Now, Louis thinks I'm gone, okay? He thinks I'm out there. He's actually in the shower right now. Just come from PE. And he thinks I'm not here. But I am. Because I decided to get him back. A bit of flour. And a hairdryer. Because he dries his hair all the time. So we're going to do this now. I'm not spreading on the floor, wife. Oh, this is the way. I'll just sit down and do this, man. Sit down. This is the best way. So, right. Fucking cheeky nut. Right. Get in there. Just fucking. Oh my god. Just gonna put a load in there. Loads. Oh shit. It's all going on the floor. I think it's all coming out on the bottom, but we'll just put some more in. There we go. I think that's fair enough. Right. So now we've got to hide it all. Fucking flowers. Right. Just put that there. It'll be alright. Right. Let's get that for me. Right. Just got to clean. Oh god, it's a bit obvious, isn't it, people? But let's clean it off a bit. There we go. I'll just say it's right. Yeah. Right, so it's all set, I reckon. I don't think I noticed that. Just say someone got some paint on it. Yeah. Right. That there. That looks very unobvious. Hide that. We're saying see what happens, boys. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! What is wrong with you? What is that? What is it? Flour.
Flour? That's not my fucking hairdryer.
Oh,
you're fucking nuts. That's not fucking funny.
Yes. Look at the camera, Luke.
What's wrong with you?
It's alright, mate, it's alright.
It's not fucking alright.
There's hilarious. That's a draw now, draw. There's a dog. Anyhow. So yeah.
You're cleaning this up. Fuck.
Thanks for watching, people.
I'm gonna break my